Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet another very insightful and a valuable session on Excel or Sheets with ChatGPT, right? And in the previous session, we dealt with the function of left right, where we understood that how can we divide the data or segregate the data into left and right, that is the first name and the last name. That is what we did in the previous session, along with certain sample data sets as well, which again we took from ChatGPT itself. In today's session, we'll be dealing with the date if function. Now, what exactly is the date if function? Rather than me telling you, let us ask ChatGPT to help us with what exactly is the date if function, right? So why am I asking ChatGPT? I'm asking ChatGPT so that you guys get a practice of how can you deal with ChatGPT more and more and more, right? So again, I'll use the trick. Hi, I am new to Google Sheets because that is where we are working. Can you tell me about the date if function with few examples, right? So let's see what ChatGPT gives us the answer. So they say that the date if function is used to calculate the difference between two dates, right? So if you've got a start date and an end date, it will help me to calculate the difference between the two dates. Okay, so now it has also given us, different formulas and how can we use it, how it is going to be helpful for us, right? So now let us see what data we have. So when I go back to sheets, I have got in under the dative of sheet, I have got four different participants and their date of birth. I have to calculate the age. So let me ask ChatGPT itself. I have birth date of people in my data. I need to get their age using the date if function. Please help. Okay, so one very important thing that you need to remember while you are giving any kind of prompt is the words that you are putting. So I cannot write birthday if I have written birth date over here. So you have to check in your sheets what what you have put in the sheet, and the same thing you need to put in the ChatGPT or OpenAI as well.